Hey, so how are the roads?
They're freaking horrible. I went to work thinking it was just the side streets. I get to the main streets and I think they plowed the left side. So if you're leaving, make sure you're in the left lane and not in the right lane, because I think they plowed the left, not the right yet. And semis can't. They were spinning out and couldn't get up the hill out of the parking lot. Yeah, it's slushy and nasty. Lauren.
Florida, Jordan.
Is it you this morning?
No,
Oh,
not me.
is it Leslie or Ryan?
Ryan.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry to wake you up then.
Oh, you're fine, man.
Okay, bye.
Lovely. I just checked out
Fucking
Lovely. I just checked out MoDOT traffic cameras to look at the roads. They do look awful. There is people on them though.